Well, today is raining. It's not very nice, and this puts you in question how much I'm gonna have to bake today, because how many customers gonna come out their house with this horrible weather. So it's really a big guess, and you don't know. You don't know. So it's every day is a challenge, really, especially when it rains. It's like don't know what's gonna happen today. Alright, so we'll do a few bits and see what happens. Well, it's actually not too bad downtown. Much worse at my house, uphill. Yes. Alright. The oven is on. Warming up. Warming up without me. What a good boy. Right, so we're gonna light up his friend. Oh, what's underneath here? This is brioche, cinnamon, crème pâtissière, pain au raisin, laminated brioche, and plain brioche. They have rise very nicely. Alright, so the twisted laminated brioche, we are putting a bit of frangipane, well, almond cream, lots of pecan. And brioche, sugar nibs. That's what it is. Cinnamon, a bit of pearl sugar as well, a bit of French. Those brioche, we're gonna top it up with crème pâtissière. In here, I've roasted some plums and then reserve it in the freezer. Nicely roasted, juicy. That goes on my brioche. Little bit more of demerara sugar, so it's gonna double roasting in the oven. Et voilà, all done for today. It's not raining anymore, so it might be busy actually.